For work or for fun, a new generation is hitting the road in a way that better fits their lifestyle. With a small carbon footprint, battery powered with touchscreen and Bluetooth. Can the bike lane become electric and give this company the right of way in the sharing economy?
One thing you miss if you live in New York, the rise of electric scooters, which has suddenly become a pretty big business. Over the years, this ride-sharing makes owning your own car less and less attractive. We've also seen the rise of electric scooter networks, which commuters, tourists, and thrill seekers can use to travel around big cities, often at a very reasonable price. Except in cities where scooters are banned. The traffic in New York is bad enough already, I guess. This industry has gotten so big that even Uber, which reported tonight, and Lyft are trying to get a piece of it. At the same time, there are also a bunch of scooter startups like OjO Electric, this beautiful machine, which trades, by the way, under symbol in a kind of a select exchange, OJO in Toronto. This is a company that's developed to own scooters with a seat, by the way. You can see that, right? This is not just a stand, and a built-out ride-sharing service that is in Austin, Dallas, and Memphis. Their plan. They want to create a sustainable mobility ecosystem, and they plan to consolidate the whole market by making series of strategic acquisitions. This story is still in its early stages. Right now, they have only 1,250 scooters across 3 cities, but they plan to double that number by January. So is this the future? Let's take a closer look with Max Smith. He's the CEO of OjO Electric. Get a better read on the company and the broader scooter industry. Mr. Smith, welcome to Mad Money. Thank you, Max. Have a seat. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, so Max, is this the future?
Well, we think so. We took a different approach. It's a different scooter. It's a seated scooter. And we're excited about the product that we built. We think it's really explosive.
$7 trillion mobility market. How much can this take of it?
Well, billions of dollars are being spent right now disrupting trillions of dollars in mobility, logistics, transportation. So we think that it's a really big market, not only for moving people safely, sustainably around the city. This scooter is really designed to deliver food, to do parcels, to do packages. So that entire mobility space in the delivery of products and services and food is an explosive market. We're seeing that.
Okay, so you're partnering both with cities, but also are you partnering with the Grubhubs of the world, the DoorDashes, that kind of thing?
Yeah, we have a pilot underway right now. That's really exciting. They're reporting in excess of 30% more efficient deliveries using the scooter. It's more efficient than any other form factor, whether it's car or bike. So it's the average rider right now, the delivery person is doing 35 miles a day, and there are some doing 50 to 60 miles a day. That's more trips, more tips. There's greater retention in delivery people. They actually love, actually have fun riding the product.
Right. Now, Grubhub last week were saying, listen, there's really not a lot of margin, harder to make money. Why don't they use OjO?
Well, if they're listening, perhaps we could do something. No, we really think that's a big marketplace. It's a great market, and it's competitive as well. So delivery on a more efficient basis, saving costs. I know you own a couple restaurants. Right. How do you get food there quickly, on time, and it's still warm? That's the opportunity.
Now, one of the things that we've learned is that, for instance, Hoboken decided they didn't want them. But at the same time, everyone in our office was saying, how could you not want something that doesn't pollute, that is efficient, that people know is kind of a very good bargain?
Yeah, we ran a short pilot in Hoboken. We love the relationship that we built with the city, with city council, the mayors. We have great ridership and support for our product. The day after we ended our service there, the president of city council got a call from a very good friend of hers. She said, OjO changed my life. She has MS, and she said it gave her a new form of mobility that she did not otherwise have, and was really impactful. That meant a lot to me. I mean, my mother has MS, and so it speaks to the scooter. It speaks to the design and the accessibility. So Hoboken's going to be a great marketplace. We'll be back there sometime in the future.
Okay, talk to me about the world of sharing. I remember you telling me once that you could go to a parking lot in L.A., and at one point it was just jammed, like a hotel parking lot. Now it's like empty. I mean, the revolution's here, right?
Yeah. It's access to mobility products and finding the elegance of the model is really, you open an app, find it, ride it, leave it. Really beautiful.
No insurance, no gasoline.
It's really easy to do, and people are really adopting it. And so that's great. Now, there are some unintended consequences that come with that, right? There's street litter, and there's some other, blocking right-of-way. And that's where we develop this product is not only the hardware, not only the scooter, It's the software, the telematics, and how to park.
Right.
So we do virtual parking. You have to park it at a docking station or a place that we designate.
Okay.
If you don't do that, you can, but you'll have a fine.
Okay, fair enough. Now, it is beautiful, but I understand that it is currently made in China. Is that going to be the same? Because there's got to be a big tariff on this, no?
There is a tariff. Tariffs are tough. It's, that's a big impact on our cash flow in our business.
Right.
We already have planned and have a facility in Vietnam.
Really? Okay.
Yeah, so we're looking at when to do that, and that's something that.
So you're part of that whole economy that has to move out in order to be able to save some money.
Yeah.
But you probably have a great relationship, and I bet you the Chinese make a great product.
Yeah, it's a great product. We have a great partnership there. We've been doing business for a long time, but if tariffs don't go away, we'll probably make a change.
Wow. Okay, that's Max Smith, the CEO of OjO, and that's OjO Electric Company. Stick with Cramer. Thank you, Max.
Thanks, Jim.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.